Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you? Hello kids, welcome to SAVITAPHAWADEACADEMY. This is one mathematics lecture. Class 5th Mathville 5. This is our mathematics textbook. A complete grade 8 course in mathematics. Kids, today we continue our second one chapters. Which one second one chapter? Yes, very good. The 4 fundamental operations. And today's our topic addition and subtraction together. Let's start. Who can tell me second chapter title? 4 fundamental operations. Very good. Now, we want page number 26 and today's our topic subtraction. We learn about subtraction. Main our topic math quest addition and subtraction. Addition we already learned and uploaded video. Now today we learn about subtraction. You can see our second one chapter, the 4 fundamental operations, and today we learn subtraction. Kids, subtraction of large numbers is the same as subtraction of smaller numbers. We arrange the minimum and the subtrahend in columns according to the place value of the digits. In addition, we know which numbers or figure we add, that one arrange. And in subtraction, first one figure means this one number minimum and second one number subtrahed. Okay, we start from the ones place and borrow if necessary while solving subtraction. Okay, our textbook given here for example third one. Let's come, we read this one. 8 crore 69 lakh 26,175. This one figure we called minimum minus 43 lakh 59,681. This one number we called subtrahend. SUBTRAHEND. Okay. Then let's come. We form tables. Textbook showing here how to form tables. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Crore for C. C for crore. Ones for O for ones, T for tens, H for 100. TH means 1,000. TTH means 10,000. L means lakh. TL means 10 lakh and C means crores. Okay. Let's come. We form our first one number means minimum. Like 8 crore, 8 in column, crore means C. 69 lakh, 6 in 10 lakh, 9 in lakh, 26,000, 2 in TTH, 6 in 1,000 place and 175. 1 in 100 place, 7 in tens and 5 in ones column. Okay. Then another figure, another number means subtrahend. 43 lakh. 4 in 10 lakh, 3 in lakh, 59,000. Find TTH means 10,000. 9 means 1,000. Okay. And 600. 6 in 100 column. 81. 8 in tens column. 1 in ones column. Then let's come. We solve this one. First we start from ones place and borrow if necessary. Okay. See. Let's start from ones. Okay. We starting our subtraction from ones. And if necessary, we borrow numbers. Okay. 5 minus 1. And this one minus sign don't forget. Okay. Otherwise your mathematics teacher take away your 1 marks. 5 minus 1, 4. Then think about in tens place. Okay. 7 minus 8. 7 can subtract 8? No. Then what do? We request this one 100 give us 1 tens. 100 ready because it's our friend. And this one 1 became 0 and this one 7 became 17. Then 17 can easily subtract 8. 17 minus 8, 9. Okay. And now think about 100. Here already this one became 0. So 0 minus 6 can't subtract. So for this one 6,000 we request give us 1 tens. Oh, then 6 became 5. Very good. Okay. And this one 0 became 10. Okay. Then 10 can subtract 6 easily. Then 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. And here already 1000 place. This one 6 became 5. Then 5 can subtract 9? No. So we request this one 10,000. This one 2,000, 20,000. Okay. Because this one figure 26,000. So this one 20,000. So we request this one 20,000. Give us 1 tens. Then 2 became 1. And this one 5 became 15. Then 15 can subtract easily 9. Then 15 minus 9, 6. And here 1. This one 2 became 1. So 1 can't subtract 5. So we request this one 9 lakh. Give us 1. Then 9 became 8. And this one 1 became 11. Then 11 can subtract 5 easily. So 11 minus 5, our answer 6. Okay. Then think about lakh column. 8 minus 3, 5. Then think about 10 lakh. 6 minus 4, 2. And then think about crore columns. Here is only 8 crore. So 8 write down as it is. Means our final result or our sum. Okay. SUM sum. Means our answer or our final result. 8 crore 25 lakh 66,494. The result obtained 8 crore 25 lakh 66,494 is called the difference. That one our answer. Kids, we stop here and in next mathematics lecture, Mathville 5, we continue our next topic addition and subtraction together. Till it we learn addition then subtraction. But in next lecture, we learn at a time addition and subtraction. Mix sum. Okay. Till then, bye bye kids.